Hi, today I will show you top Udemy free courses, where you can easily and quickly learn all of Udemy's free courses. What is Udemy? Udemy is the largest online courses platform where you can get the widest selection of courses under video on demand and where a trained instructor is accessible to help you with your needs. Udemy has a course inventory that ranges from web development to design and marketing to languages and personal fulfillment. So we have compiled top 5 free affiliate marketing courses that Udemy offers for free up to date. 1. Free affiliate marketing course for beginners. Tyler Stokes, an affiliate marketer, reveals his step-by-step method for beginners who want to start earning a full-time income through affiliate marketing. This free affiliate marketing course will show you how to get started with affiliate marketing if you're a complete newbie with no idea what topic to choose and no prior expertise. The 5-step blueprint is mentioned several times during this course. You can sign up for a free download that will allow you to follow along with the video lectures. 2. Pro Clickbank Affiliate without website and email list. This mini course is designed for Clickbank affiliate marketers who are new to affiliate marketing and want to learn more about the opportunities available. This course aims to give you a good start and walk you through all you need to know about beginning and operating a successful Clickbank affiliate internet marketing company without having a website or an email list. 3. Affiliate Marketing for Beginners with Wix Website. Learn how to establish an affiliate marketing website from years of expertise, whether you're seeking to start affiliate marketing or simply thinking about it. This will lead you through the process of starting a new affiliate marketing website, from establishing your website to identifying the greatest affiliate deals to promote. This course will teach you how to make your own affiliate marketing website, look for affiliate deals to promote, make excellent website content. After completing this course, you will be able to construct a customized affiliate marketing website and launch your own affiliate marketing business with no prior expertise. 4. Affiliate Marketing Mastermind, everything you need to know. The course is intended to teach you a tried-and-true step-by-step strategy for creating, ranking, and profiting from Amazon niche sites. You can develop a profitable Amazon site by following my identical step-by-step approach. If you want to learn how to make money with the Amazon Associate Program, then this course is a great place to start. 5. Passive Income, Affiliate Marketing WordPress Website. As a newbie, affiliate marketing is one of the finest methods to start earning passive money online. This course will teach you all you need to know to get started in affiliate marketing right away. Don't spend your time with those complicated lessons. This training is the most effective technique to begin earning passive money through affiliate marketing. The step-by-step style makes it simple to follow, and you'll benefit from years of internet business expertise. This course contains all of the trade secrets and affiliate marketing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.